been together for a little over a year.
I keep track of the days.
Quite adventurous.
Yeah, there's like few things that I wouldn't do with you. I'm excited to play out this fantasy where she's across the room at a party and I'm across the room like watching her from afar, but she has to totally pretend that nothing's happening. Meanwhile, downstairs it's like raging in her panties. That's my dream. So very strong.
Really
I was like,
intense.
wow, strap in, bada bing, bada boom. One of us would be like on the massage wave and the other one would be like we used the video function too, so we could like watch each other's faces, which was really fun.
Yeah, the video was awesome. I loved that.
Yeah, my favorite thing to do was to completely turn it off and just be like, oh, you want this? Like, all right.